Hi, I'm Bill Good. It is my pleasure to welcome you to the series of demos on your customizable database, Gorilla 4.0. I am extremely pleased to bring this to you. It's been in the works for a long time. Here it is. Some background. We actually invented, Bill Good Marketing actually invented the first CRM all the way back in 1986. But we went even further than just the program. We came up with what today should be called a CRM system. It's the engine or the program plus the car. With Gorilla 4.0, it's now really your CRM system, as you will see. As you take a look at a CRM, let's say in the automobile industry, insurance industry, or financial services, or real estate, or whatever, you'll find that about 85% of the fields are the same. Everyone needs name, address, phone number, email address, notes. Those are the same. What separates, let's say, an insurance CRM from real estate CRM is about 15% of the total field count. What separates your financial services practice from the guy next door is actually a small percentage of that. But if you don't have a place to put your stuff, it's discouraging. Our first attempt to deal with this was years ago when we came up with keywords. With keywords, you can add up to 66,000 words to a record. You can sort on them. You can use them to select mailings and so forth. But that wasn't good enough. With 2.0, we developed worksheets. But that technology was clunky. It couldn't be changed once data had been entered, and the fields could not be merged. All of that changes now with the new Gorilla CRM for financial services. In the rest of this video, I will show you what we've done. In the next one, I will show you what you can do with it. So let's take a look at your new program, Gorilla 4.0. You're looking at the main menu of Gorilla 4, where you can see a picture of one of my favorite people. In this video, I am going to show you how my database can become yours. The key is worksheets. A worksheet is a group of one or more fields added by the user to hold data of a specific kind. You could, if you wanted, create a worksheet called Everything for Everybody and just throw in whatever. But it really makes more sense to group fields of a similar kind together in a single worksheet. I'll click Tools, and then Worksheet Structure Editor, and that brings us to the screen where worksheets are created, or as you will see, edited. It's kind of a nerdy looking screen, but just remember, nerdiness is good. Here you can see I have created 6 different worksheets for you. I want all my appointment information in one place. Seminar information should definitely be all together because I will use this worksheet in campaigns. I can keep records of insurance policies. Now, public info and private info, what is this? These 2 worksheets hold information about the individuals in a contact group. Some of it you would never merge into a letter or send through the mail. That's private info. That's things like your driver's license, your social security number. So I call that worksheet private info. Public info is information that you could put in a letter. You could put in their personal homepage or their contact preferences or whatever. It enables you to get the client to confirm information you already have instead of requiring them to write it down again. Finally, I have created a financial planning checklist. We will talk about that one a lot more in the next video. In earlier versions of Gorilla, once you had data in a worksheet, it was locked in forever. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to change it. I'm going to make a change in my appointment profile worksheet. What I want to do is keep track of the new questionnaire we have developed that you will learn about in your next video. So I'm just going to click on New Field. In the column labeled Caption, I'm going to name it Profile I'm going to tab over to the type of data. I'm going to say that it is a date field, and I'm done. I'm going to choose Save. Now we want to go take a look at this, so I'm going to close my worksheet editor. We're back at our main menu, and let's go visit the Hawthorne record. I'm going to click on the Info Sheet icon. We want the Hawthorne contact group, so I'm clicking in the search field, type HAW, hit Enter. There they are. Notice, campaigns and worksheets used to be in the same tab. No more. I'll click on Worksheets. Here you can see on the left all of the worksheets attached to this contact group. Let's look at them quickly. Appointment profile. This gives information about an upcoming appointment. Favorite beverage. She likes coffee, Diet Coke for him. She likes lots of vanilla cremora. He likes his Diet Coke but no ice. Insurance. You can list all the insurance policies you have sold, or you can list all of the policies they have. Private info. Here you can see I have entered the information for Nathaniel Hawthorne. I can go on and enter Hester, Ann Pearl, Nat Jr., whomever I want. Seminar profile. Here we see their upcoming seminar, Thursday, October 30th, 2008. Their attendance status is scheduled. It's going to be held at the Ditchwater Hotel. He wants the possum. She wants country ham. They've got a guest that they're bringing. We've got information on their last seminar and how they reacted to that one in the questionnaire. This is a lot of information. Where can you see it in one place? Well, I'm going to close this, and we're going to take a look at their info sheet report. I'll click on this icon here for the info sheet report. I've already set it up, by the way I want it. So now I'll click OK. And we have a shot-down view of the info sheet. Here's a worksheet. Here's a long worksheet. This happens to be the financial planning worksheet. And more financial planning worksheet. And still more financial planning worksheet. And here are the rest of the worksheet. So you can see everything in one place. I'm going to close this. Now I want to leave you with two thoughts. Number one, the fields in worksheets are immediately included in selection rule criteria. This means I can find every client that has a certain type of insurance policy, or I can find every client that does not have a certain type of insurance policy. Number two, the fields in certain types of worksheets, such as seminars and financial planning, can also be merged. Very important. I will show you that in the next video.